How to top up your STFULFILL account. In this video, we will show you how to top up your STFULFILL account balance. STFULFILL currently supports 3 payment methods: bank transfer, PayPal, and credit card. We will explain how each method works and what you need to pay attention to during the top-up process. After logging into your STFULFILL account, go to the billing page. On this page, you can view your account balance, top up your account, and check your recharge records. At the top of the billing page, you can choose your preferred payment method. STFULFILL supports bank transfer, PayPal, and credit card payments. Among all available top-up options, bank transfer usually has the lowest transaction fees. PayPal and the credit card payments are faster and can usually be completed online directly. First, let's look at bank transfer. This option is usually recommended if you want to reduce transaction fees. After clicking the bank transfer button, you will see STFULFILL's bank account information on the left side. Please read the account details and notes carefully before making the transfer. STFULFILL recommends using a local bank account transfer. If your STFULFILL account billing currently is EUR or GBP or AUD, you can scroll in the bank account section on the left to find the STFULFILL's local bank account details for the corresponding currency. Now let's see the US local USD bank account as an example. Next, enter the amount you want to top up. Then enter the player's name. This should match the name used for the bank transfer, so our team can verify the payment more easily. After completing the transfer through your bank, take a screenshot of the payment confirmation. Upload the screenshot in the payment proof area. Finally, click Confirm to submit your top-up request. Please note that the arrival time depends on your bank. Some banks may support T+0, which means same-day settlement. Other banks may use T+1, which means next-day settlement. Bank transfer may also incur handling fees. STFULFILL will only credit the actual received amount to your account balance after the payment is confirmed. The second method is PayPal top-up. This option allows you to complete the payment online using your PayPal balance or a credit card link inside PayPal. After clicking the PayPal button, a pop-up window will appear. Enter the amount you want to top up. The system will automatically calculate the PayPal fee and the total payment amount. You will see that PayPal charges an additional transfer fee. Please note that these fees are charged by PayPal and STFULFILL does not receive any part of them. After checking that amount is correct, click Confirm. Then you can complete the payment using your PayPal balance or using by a credit card linked inside PayPal. Once the payment is completed successfully, the top-up amount will appear immediately in your STFULFILL account balance. Here is a very important thing to know. When you are redirected to the PayPal page to complete the payment, please do not close the STFULFILL system page or any related page. Closing the page may cause the PayPal top-up to fail or not be recorded correctly. If you have already encountered these issues, please contact your dedicated account manager for assistance. You can find your account manager's contact information on the dashboard page. The third method is credit card top-up. STFULFILL uses Stripe as a credit card payment gateway. This means the system supports all credit card and debit cards that are accepted by Stripe. After clicking the credit card button, a Stripe payment window will appear. Enter the amount you want to top up. The system will automatically calculate the total amount to be paid. Then enter your credit card information, including the card number, expiry date, and a CVC code. After confirming that all details are correct, click Submit. Once your payment is completed successfully, the top-up amount will appear instantly in your STFULFILL account balance. After the top-up is complete, you can return to the billing page to check your account balance. You can also view your recharge records and invoices records from this page. If needed, you can search record, download the invoices, or export billing information. To summarize, STFULFILL supports 3 main top-up methods. Bank transfer is usually recommended for lower transaction fees. PayPal is suitable for faster online payment. Credit card payment is processed through Stripe and support cards accepted by Stripe. You can choose a payment method that best suits your situation. Please note that before submitting any top-up request, you should always be carefully check the payment amount, account information, and important notes. If you have any questions during the top-up process, please contact your dedicated STFULFILL account manager. Thank you for watching.